Okay, everyone, walk northwest with me. Walk northwest with me. Come to me, everyone. Come to me. Everyone, come to me. Karmic, flank them now. Karmic fight started. Everyone, come to me. Everyone, come to the ping. Come to the ping. My boys, come to the ping here. Come to the ping. This month.
They're waiting choke.
Don't go to this choke, okay? Don't go to this choke. Just try to kidnap the guys inside. Try to kidnap these guys inside. Kidnap these guys inside. Kill these guys inside. Kill these guys inside.
They're walking.
Don't go to the choke, okay? Don't go to the choke. Your Dal's Gate keep calling like I'm rubber banding.
Where are you? Bro, whoever is the party,
Mount up, listen, mount up. We flank again.
They're going.
You kidnap these guys. Kidnap these guys on me. Kidnap this realm breaker on me. Karmic, you flank them from behind. Mount up. Everyone mount up.
They're full facing Karmic now.
Come to me. Flank them. Come to me.
Kingo dead. Karmic.
I'm here. Come to me. Zico, I'm gonna flank them. Dismount here. Spread air. You go back. They're full walking towards us. Go back.
They're facing us.
Yeah. Brawl now. Everyone brawl now. They're gonna engage on me. Brawl now. Everyone dismount and brawl. Catch them. Don't let them go back. Dismount. Don't let them go back. Brawl them here. Brawl them here. Everyone brawl them here. Boys. Dismount and brawl with them. They're turning now. Careful. Yo, they kill me. Zico, Dal's Gate, you keep calling, bro.
Party.
Unplayable, bro.
Come southwest. One ping. Come southwest.
It's unplayable, bro.
I'm not in your party, bro. I don't even know where the rest of the party is.
Just come southeast, guys.
Gerald,
Southeast. Care engaging. Go southeast. Yeah.
Gerald, I give you party
The
lead.
crown is southwest.
They're facing us now. Watch out, guys. They're down the choke. Northwest, yeah. They're facing us now. D-tanks, northwest. Come on. There are no callers. Hello? Where's the party?
Go southwest. Guys.
Mahalika on pings, yeah. On my ping, they're facing.
Bro, whoever is the party lead for second party, I've been telling you for the last three times. Give me party lead.
Okay, you join my party.
The crown is here.
Just play with Zico.
The crown is on ping. I'm pinging again and again. The crown is on ping.
Mahalika going back to the bridge, okay?
Be near the
Just
castle,
facing.
northwest castle. Be near the northwest side of the castle. Stick with the crown. Do we have a secondary caller here? Blair?
No, you keep calling. This brawl. You don't need to call. Just look when Zico start brawling. You just go and brawl with him.
Get ready, defensive. They're walking up southwest side. They're walking up south. Walk back, northeast. Keep walking.
Zico, I'm dead by the way, but I still have my party, okay?
Keep walking.
Zico going southwest.
Do not stay on this choke, okay? Do not stay on this choke. You'll die. I'm dead. I'm dead as well.
I pull Zico.
不要站中间，好吧？杀人！
Mahalika engage now.
二队还有多少人？去砍！对，不要他妈往 A 跑了，往 A 跑他妈的，你找得到谁呀？喂，操你们妈呀！一队人在跟着谁走啊？我在哪儿啊？喂 ，Hello，
Ma engaging again, guys.
你这样子玩的？
Follow Zico.
就是在跑啊！鸡，不打了！
哎，
我的爸！外润意思外，我的爸！玩游戏了？那一队你听不懂话吗？你 你砍了我让你怎么砍？你死在我脸上，我没话讲。你这莫名其妙往里脚一顿跑，这还玩啥呀？